Hi students, today we discuss about mean of grouped data by assumed mean method. So for this mean x bar is given by the formula a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. The formula is a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi, where a means assumed mean. A means assumed mean. Fi means frequency of ith class. I indicates the number. Di means deviation. It can be found by xi minus a. So mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. A means assumed mean, fi means frequency of ith class, di means deviation, that is can be found by xi minus a. So let us take an example. See, consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Daily wages in rupees, number of workers. So daily wages are given 200 to 250, 250 to 300, 300 to 350, 350 to 400, 400 to 450. So the number of workers are 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. See the solution. Assumed mean method. First given class interval, next one is frequency. We have to find mid value. Mid value can be found by adding upper limit, lower limit and upper limit, dividing by 2. 200 plus 250, 450 by 2 is 225. So next 250, 300, that is 550. Next one is, so 550 off is 275. This one will get 325. This one will get 375. This we get 425. So mid value means the exact number in between 200 and 250. So that is 225, 250, 300. The middle one is 275, 300, 350. The middle one is 325. 350, 400. The middle one is 375. 400, 450, 425. Now let us assume one of the mid value as a. So I am taking 325 as a. So you, as per your choice, you can take any mid value as a. After considering a, you have to find di. So 225 minus 325, that is di means xi minus a. Here xi means mid value, 225 a, 325. 225 minus 325 is minus 100. So here 275 minus 325 minus 50. 325 minus 325 0. 375 minus 325 50. Here it is 100. So now we have to multiply frequency with deviation. 12 into 100 1200, minus is given, so minus 1200. So 14 into 50, that is 700. So minus is there, minus 700. 8 into 0 0. 6 into 50 300. 10 into 100 1000. So positive values 1300, negative values 1900. 1900 1300, difference is 600. So negative value is more, so minus 600. It is sigma Fi di. So we have to find sigma Fi. Sigma means sum of frequencies. 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. 10, 6, 16, 16, 8, 24, 24 and 14, 38, 50. See, once again see the table. Class interval, frequency, mid value, deviation and Fi di. Now we find mean. Mean is given by the formula a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. A value is 325 plus sigma Fi di is minus 600 by sigma Fi is 50. So 325 plus into minus is minus 600 by 50 is 5 12s are 60, so minus 12. So 350 minus 325 minus 12 is 313. So in this way we can find mean by assumed mean method. Thank you.